Hi, this is Jennifer at Douglas Elliman and the New Home Experts, and we are at beautiful Lake Las Vegas today. We are doing a home tour of La Cova by Pointe, and I'm super excited to show you this gorgeous home. I am with my fabulous colleague. This is Cassandra Neota, also with Douglas Elliman. So let's get started right now. If you love resort style living and cannot even believe that you can actually be out here in Las Vegas on the water, right? I mean, this is absolutely spectacular. We're about 25 minutes from the Strip. And what we're going to be showing you today is La Cova by Pointe Homes. They have 6 different floor plans, a mix of single story and 2-story. We're going to be looking today at the Plan 3 floor plan. It is a 2-story, 3,500 square feet, but it does have the primary bedroom down on the main level. So great if you're just here by yourselves and maybe you have guests or something like that that can use the upstairs, and really kind of show you what it's all about and what living out here in Lake Las Vegas means on a daily basis if you're interested in being out here.
So Lake Las Vegas is resort style living. They do have a lake out here. You can have electric boats, kayaks, paddleboarding, all the things that, a small lake would have. Beautiful mountain views, but you are still close to town. They do have a village with the grocery store, different restaurants and shopping. So you're not in a hotel. Yeah, 2 hotels.
Yeah, two hotels, because I've gone to conferences out here before, and there's an incredible golf course.
2 golf courses, actually.
2 golf courses, okay.
Yep.
And there's a clubhouse, so there's plenty of amenities out here, so you can really spend your days if you want to play golf, if you like the idea of kind of being, we're about 25 minutes from the Strip, I would say. So if you want to be kind of close to the action, but also feel it is so peaceful out here and so quiet, it's really a nice break from being, of course, on the Strip. So I love Pointe because they kind of do that mid-century modern vibe. But what I do love is they really have a nice outdoor space out here. I mean, because you do want to take advantage. I mean, right now it is towards the end of February, and back east they're having another set of snowstorms, and well, here we are. And but this week was actually not great because my sister was in town from France, and Thursday was like a complete horrific downpour, raining, windy. So we ended up at the Whole Foods in downtown Summerlin.
Yeah, some snow actually at my house by the mountains.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Very chilly.
But we are back to the regularly scheduled Las Vegas weather, thank goodness. Yes. Just in time for my sister to head back to France. So this is 3,500 square feet. This is the Plan 3. It has a 3-car garage. The base price for this home is 1.8.
Yes.
But the one we are looking at that we're going to walk through with you guys so you can get a really great feel for it, this is priced at $2.4 million. And I do believe includes all the furniture as well.
Yes.
We're going to go with the fact that it includes all the furniture. I hope you like the furniture. So this actually reminds me of some of the models that I've seen up in Summerlin, actually.
Yes.
Up by Edgewood. So some of the really nice design elements that they did out in Summerlin, I see over here as well. This is beautiful.
Yeah, the waterfall edge, I like that. It's nice.
And
a bar.
I mean, my goodness.
Here.
And if I cooked something, look at this beautiful 6-burner cooktop. And check out this refrigerator. This is pretty cool, huh?
It's really pretty.
Right, can I open it? Oh. And there's nothing here. Let's see. Sometimes they have water in here.
Such luck.
But I forget, we're not actually in a model. This is actually a production home. So instead of looking at the models, it's nice to kind of see what they look like in the field and just how gorgeous this is, right? I mean, sometimes a lot in the field, it's just not the same and as impressive as what the models are. But you can see, I mean, they really took the time to make this house absolutely stunning. Now, what's nice about Lake Las Vegas now is there's really something for everybody as far as price range. So, of course, this is about $2.4 million, but you can spend significantly less. I mean, if you want, there's homes by Lennar out here. I had a client purchase a Lennar home out here. He absolutely loves it. But you can also go with, there's Toll Brothers. There's also Blue Heron that's out here. And of course you have Pointe. So there's really something kind of depending what you're looking for, whether it's something smaller and like kind of more lock and leave, if you're not always here, or you could purchase something, of course, a little bit, much larger like out here. So we're going to be looking at this, and we're also going to be looking at a Blue Heron home in a couple weeks as well. So we just have a lot that we're going to do out here in Lake Las Vegas. But let's go take a look at the primary. I'll let you lead the way. I love how bright this is.
I do too. So that would be your laundry room, I guess, coming into the primary.
Yep, here's your laundry right outside the door of your primary.
And I actually do love this bathroom. It has the really large tiles.
Oh, that is pretty.
It has a bathtub. It has this nice seating area. I do think Tri-Pointe does a good job with all of their finishes.
Yeah, this is beautiful. This would be a little hard to clean, but
yeah, that's what cleaners are for.
it's a lot of glass. A lot of glass and a very small, I mean, you have to be pretty thin.
Right.
This is for a very thin person, right? I mean, that's very narrow.
I agree.
Very narrow tub, so just keep in mind to take your GLP-1 if you're going to use that bathtub. Okay, so this essentially would be the backyard, and then of course you're on the water. What I love is just how light and bright this is. I mean, you just get a lot of natural sunlight.
Yeah.
And I love the black framing on the windows, and of course this would look even better if it wasn't dirt.
Right. You could stack these.
So imagine not dirt.
Yeah, you could put whatever you want back
here.
Put
whatever you want, and then you could have a view of it from your primary, which would be very nice. And then I love how the ceilings get. We're walking back into the main area and just how open and high the ceilings are over here. And wouldn't be complete without the beautiful floating staircase in the middle. But wait, there's more. Oh, okay. So you have a nice office space over here.
Yeah, I like this.
Actually, I like the size of this room. It's nice for an office.
Yeah, I agree.
And then let's see. So now I know there's 2 additional bedrooms upstairs. What's nice is this kind of really ultimately lives like a single story, really. So you have all your main area here. You have your primary, you have your office. And then ultimately, if you have guests or family staying with you, is really when you can use that upstairs space.
Or if you just want to have your own office up there, just to separate yourself a little bit.
Or, as Cassandra says, if you'd like to have your office upstairs, so you have some separation, you'd be like, bye, honey, I'm going to be upstairs. It gives you some room for that as well. So, okay, let's go take a look. We were going to go upstairs, but then Cassandra mentioned we actually missed a space.
We did.
So, okay, so this is the kitchen. So, and there's Peter. Say hello, Peter. He's there. Okay, so now we're going to go back here.
This is just a strange space to me. They have it set up a little, like you could have a little office here, kind of a desk space, right? But you're looking at a wall.
Yeah, I'm not really sure. We're a little dumbfounded by the space. I think this is really ultimately like, I mean, obviously the coffee, and then of course you have a book all about coffee.
Kind of a butler's type kitchen.
Yeah, I don't know if I would have it set up as an office space, because ultimately you'd just be staring at a wall and that would be sad. Right. So I would kind of use this as like maybe a secondary staging area, like for all of my fabulous parties that I would have if I lived here. But an office space, I don't know, it just seems kind of sad to do it like that.
Yeah.
But I think it does have, but wait, there's more. Holy cow. You have a nice big pantry.
I like that.
Pantry's nice.
That is nice.
Yeah, we're not sold on this as an office space.
Yeah.
But they have it set like that. But I think, it's just sort of like a staging area. You could keep maybe your microwave or something back here. I do like the way this is done. And I do really like that it's like a really nice focal point of the front of the home.
I like the warm colors they use too.
I do too. Yeah.
Very nice.
And then kind of funky. I'm not sure how I feel about this. The floor changes.
Right, the 2 different woods.
You have one wood down there, then you have a little bit different on the staircase. And then we roll around, and then it's a lighter wood up here.
Yeah.
I don't know. Jury's out on that. And then, this is pretty. Oh, and I love these doors.
So I would say this is an office. This would be my office, but
this is Cassandra's office, you guys.
I like the.
So if you buy this home, Cassandra's going to make this her office.
You have pretty views. You do see a little bit of the lake over here, and you have a nice balcony, which I like.
Oh, look at this! I love this.
Yeah.
Good choice, Cassandra. Go on out. I'd be stuck with the sad behind the kitchen office, right? And you can be up here.
Yeah, I like it.
Oh, wow. And you
can see
can
the
kind of
lake.
get a really, Pete, if you can show them where the lake is over there at the end. And then we're going to go over next and look at a single story as well. So just so you can kind of get a different feel for what's out here. But they do have quite a bit of floor plans, which is nice, lots to choose from. And then there are 3 HOAs.
Yes.
3 HOAs, and it's just over $900 a month, and that includes, there's a guard gate, there's the main HOA for all of Lake Las Vegas, and then they're specific to this area. So you are going to expect to spend about $900 a month, all told, on 3 different HOA components.
Yes.
This great choice for an
Yeah,
office, Cassandra. You did very well. She gets the balcony. All right, so you have really an office or maybe a guest room downstairs. This is a beautiful space. I love the barn doors.
You could do maybe a game room also. If you like
Game
to play
room,
pool,
you
if
could put
something TV up here.
You could put your pool table, since Cassandra knows how to play pool. She's our resident pool shark. Okay, and now you have 2 additional bedrooms.
Yeah, a little small.
Well, this would be good because then someone wouldn't stay that long.
Right.
They'd be like, oh, you're up here, so don't stay long. Bathroom. And then you have, this bedroom's bigger. Oh, and here you have, well, you would definitely need to say like you have a favorite child and then a less favorite child, because this one also has its own bathroom,
right?
And it has somewhere to leave from the balcony. So this is definitely the better bedroom location,
definitely.
Or if you prefer someone stay a little longer, right? You put them in this room. But this is a really great floor plan. I think it can make sense for a lot of different situations, especially since most of it lives like a single story. Mm-hmm. I love Cassandra's office, you guys. I think she made a very good choice. And again, this is a Plan 3. It's priced, this is priced all in at 2.4. Base price is 1.8. We are also going to show you a single story model that is La Cova by Pointe, just so again, you can have a little bit more of an idea of what's available to you. And I'm so glad it's such a beautiful day, because it definitely makes our job easier.
It does, yeah.
So let's make our way to the next house. And so we're now in the single story. This is the Plan 2, Residence 2. We did have a moment to talk to the sales agent, which had a lot of great information for us. Apparently there's 42 homes total.
Yes.
They've sold 9 of them. And on anything that is standing inventory, which is essentially what we're standing in inventory, as well as next door, they're offering $150,000 off.
Right.
So that residence over there is at 2.4, so that would be 150 off. We don't know, but there's always the possibility of more negotiation room.
Right.
We are currently in Q1 of 2026, and it's still pretty quiet.
Yeah.
We still are pretty quiet. There's a lot of news swirling that things are quiet, and well, they are. If a builder's offering $150,000 off quick move-ins, yes, things are a little bit quiet, but with that, of course, is opportunity.
Right.
So we are in 3183 square feet. Cassandra and Peter have already walked through and said that they like this better,
we
right?
do.
But
yeah.
I like the finishes a lot.
Yeah.
This is really pretty. And I kind of like the way that the kitchen's a little bit tucked in, but that you have a nice view towards the living area.
This is the Taj Mahal that is really trending right now.
Oh, Taj Mahal.
Yes.
It is really pretty.
Yes, very warm. I feel like they're going back to kind of the warms versus like the white, the gray, the black.
So glad, I'm just going to say it. I am so glad we are out of our gray era.
Me too.
Because when I used to work at Lennar many moons ago, any standing inventory house I'd ever walk into, it was literally gray. Gray paint, gray. What was the paint called? It was agreeable gray. Everything was agreeable gray. Happy to see that kind of going away. This is much warmer in tone, and the floor is beautiful.
I agree.
And let's go take a look over at the primary. So this all in, base price is about 1.7 all in. This is about just over 2 million right now. Of course, there's $150,000 off, so you have that. And primary, does this have that really skinny tub again?
It does.
It does.
It does.
All right. I'm so sorry, but I have to see, because I am not like a huge person.
You're tiny, yeah.
And I mean, I can fit in here.
Right.
But if you are a little larger, you're going to be SOL. Is essentially it. So just keep that in mind. But I do like the way this shower is done, because I like this like nice big shower, really runs the length of the wall. Peter, give me your hand so I don't die. Thank you so much. Nice big closet.
Very nice closet. And I like that these are separate too. Like the sinks are nice too.
Yeah, this I could live with this.
Yeah.
This would be acceptable. Definitely acceptable. I'm surprised though. Okay, well, the mirrors are backlit. So I guess they're going with a very clean looking mirror.
Yeah.
All right, let's go look in the primary.
I like these fixtures actually. I have not seen these. These are a little bit different.
Oh yeah, pretty. And then you're back, so you have tile in the bathroom, back to the vinyl wood plank. Nice size primary. It's not super big, but it's nice. It's comfortable.
Yeah, I like the windows. I like these two right here.
Yeah, those windows. You got a nice walk out to your backyard. And then what I like is this is completely separate from the rest of the house. Now we have Peter modeling the bar. I would like, well, it's a Sunday, so I would like a mimosa.
Okay. Do you wine or champagne?
Oh, he at least knew it was champagne, so that is impressive. So what is a mimosa?
It's orange juice and champagne.
Hey.
Wow, he's hired. So if you have a party where all you need is orange juice and champagne for mimosas, Peter is your guy.
All right.
So and he might even come with this house. What do you think, Peter? He says no.
For the right
He's
price.
gonna think, he'll think about it. He will think about it. But now we're gonna go. We have, this is a nice big space. Sort of a secondary den.
Yeah.
Cassandra can play pool.
Yeah, I would say a pool room. I like a game room. Some TVs
And then
up here.
this bedroom. So there's this bedroom en suite. Is that a bathroom in there?
Yes. Nice bathroom. I actually like that.
Oh, that is nice.
Yeah. Pretty
Good
good
size room.
Yeah, good size room.
I don't love, I know, maybe I'm being picky. I don't know. It's just, I get it. There's secondary bedrooms. Really, wherever you are in Las Vegas now, though, most of the lots are pretty tight. Obviously, you've got a nice backyard space. And then, oh, this is bigger.
Yeah, I like this. I like this, actually, this wood detail I've not seen.
Oh, yeah, that's
Thought that
pretty.
was
That's a
pretty
pretty
cool.
shower.
Yeah.
I like that a lot. Very pretty. And so all the bedrooms are en suite. That's actually very nice. So this is the Plan 2 single story at La Cova out here in Lake Las Vegas, resort style living. If you want to be about 25 minutes from the strip, this is really a great option. So this was a lot of fun.
It was.
I always love doing videos with Cassandra. It makes it so much more fun. So we are actually, it's just about noontime, and they have a great village here. And we are going to grab lunch. It's a Sunday. It's kind of a beautiful day. They do have some good food options here. I'm assuming I remember there was an Italian place I went to one time. It was really good. So, this really is its own little place to be. And if you kind of want to feel like you're away from it all, Lake Las Vegas is really a great option. Again, we are at Pointe, La Cova. If you'd like more information on any of the new builds here in La Cova, or really anywhere in Lake Las Vegas, you can find that in my Vegas Confidential blog at jennifergraffrealtor.com. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video today. We always appreciate it. And make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.